Dashcam driving the George Washington Parkway in Virginia. Here we are on the beautiful George Washington Parkway in Virginia, about to merge from the Arlington side. This is a tricky merge. Once you get on the Parkway, you're driving northward towards McLean, Virginia. It's a lovely drive. Sometimes the first time you take this drive, you may wonder, am I headed to the North Pole? Do I have enough gas to get me to the exit? No gas stations on the Parkway. Along the way, you'll notice one or two scenic pullovers where you can actually pull your car over to overlook the Potomac River on your right-hand side. Eventually, you'll find a sign that says Chain Bridge Exit. A small sign. That exit will curve you around up onto the Route 123, also known as Dolly Madison, and Chain Bridge Road, leading to the malls, Tyson's Corners Mall and the Galleria. It also passes the town of McLean and the subdivisions where the Evans Farm Inn used to be. This parkway is usually very busy Monday through Friday, and you have to watch out for cars pulling out from the scenic overlook. The parkway runs all the way from Alexandria, Virginia, up through to McLean. Here comes the signage for the scenic overlook. Last chance, don't blink or you'll miss it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button below. It's free to subscribe to Blessings 427.